Let's take a look at this only pink salt grinder. The pink salt comes in a really unique bottle. On the top of the bottle there is a grinder with which you can actually grind the salt. Never seen the grinder come combined with the ingredients. It costs around 79 rupees or around $1 or so. Again, it's good for 1 year. It's a 100 grams bottle. Pink salt is a handmade rock salt. Pink and crystalline is a fine blend of pristine crystal and pink granules derived naturally from salt mines closer to Himalayas, rich in iron oxide. Is a popular substitute for table salt. If I had any complaints about the bottle, it's non-refillable. So let's open it. That's how the salt looks once it's grinded through the grinder. Let's taste it. It tastes like a regular salt. Again, I didn't know something like this was around. Quite nice. Check it out.